I am Aquaman. I am Aquaman.
Here's another thing I hate about you. Orange and green. Dressed, you cross-eyed faggot.
$5 Aqua takes in the can tonight.
Ho ho! I'll take that bet! Robin, have another beer!
Was Superman son of Poseidon? No. When SeaWorld needed a spokesman, did they turn to Superman? Yes. Did he accept? No.
I'm Batman. You must have the wrong application. Mine's the one with all the black bat stickers on it.
How come you never told me you were molested as a child?
Robin, to the Pussy Palace!
I'm Henry! Wasn't impervious to bullets, I would shoot myself.
What did you say your name was again? Osama Bin Laden?
Hey, keep it down. The waitress just told me she likes guys with beards.
If I win, spend 5 minutes alone in the closet. Bat Dance. What? Bat Dance by Prince. That's a really cool song about Batman.
You are so damn gay.